Hello and welcome to the Village Piano. My name is Hudson, and in today's lesson we are learning about replacing the circle of fifths. Yes, you heard me right. We are replacing the circle of fifths. Why should we do this? You know what a circle of fifths is? It shows us the relationship between major keys and minor keys and the number of sharps or flats that are found in it. Now, given that our keyboard or the piano is a straight instrument, we are not satisfied with the circle of fifth because it is a circle. Now, for that reason, we have stretched the circle of fifths and come up with the number line of fifths. What is the basic difference between the circle of fifths and the number line of fifths? Number one, the number line of fifths is straight. Number two, the number line of fifths has positive and negative numbers, and the positive numbers show us the sharps and the negative numbers show us the flats. Now, here is the number line of fifth. I want us to compare and look at the major keys and the minor keys and the number of sharps or flats that are present. Let us take C, which is in the middle of the number line of fifth. C, the corresponding minor key to C is A. How many sharps are there? 0. How many flats are there? 0. Okay, let us pick another key, A, for instance. The corresponding minor key to A is F sharp. How many number of sharps are there? 3. Okay, we have 3 sharps that are present in A and F sharp minor. Let us pick any other key. For instance, let us move to the left and take B flat. The corresponding minor key to B flat is G minor. How many flats are there? We have 2 flats. So it is that simple. Just pick a key and look underneath it, and you'll find the number of sharps or number of flats that are present in that given key. So thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. I want you to share this video because I think this is a noble idea that should reach as many people as possible. Help me to make this information reach many people. You can like my videos, you can leave a comment below, you can also subscribe to my channel for better content that is coming in future. Go on Facebook and subscribe to my page, The Village Piano, and out of there we will find more things to discuss. Thank you so much for attending this lesson.